Hello, welcome to the Matthew Allton Art channel again. I attended the live drawing class that I went to for the first time last night, and I just thought I'd do a video where I post the sketches that I did during that session. Really enjoyable evening again. This time it was a female model, and I did 7 sketches I think throughout the 2 hours of the group. The first few were very short poses and the model was clothed, and then after the tea break we did longer poses with the nude model. Used pencil, and I took a larger sketch pad than I took to the first one. I felt a bit restricted using only A4 on the first time I went, so I took an A3 pad this time to use. Overall, wasn't too unhappy with what I created. You can see here the first one is one of the 2-minute poses. There was 3 2-minute poses. It's hard to believe that you can do anything in 2 minutes, but I think actually on all 3 of the 2-minute poses, as you'll see, I did an okay job of capturing the figure and the pose that was being shown in front of me. This is the second of the 2-minute poses. Again, quite happy with the pose really. Managed to capture the shape of the figure and the pose quite well, I think, in the 2 minutes. Slightly wrong proportions on this 2-minute pose. The legs should be longer, the knees are in the wrong place, but the top half of the pose was caught quite well, and yeah, in only 2 minutes. We then moved on to a 15-minute pose, which seemed like absolute luxury after getting everything done in 2 minutes. So this is obviously a bit more of a finished sketch. The model sitting on a cushion on the floor. Not too bad. Managed to get a face that looks half human in it at least. This was the last clothed model pose, and a really difficult one with the model stretched out on the floor, sort of pointing almost towards me. So lots of foreshortening to deal with here. Overall it's not too bad, but was a bit of a struggle, to be fair. I could have done with 30 minutes on that one at least, not 15 that I had. But you know, it's good to challenge yourself and do stuff that's quite difficult from time to time. That's how you improve. This was the first nude pose after the tea break, just a standing figure with hands on hips. This one was 20 minutes I think, so again quite sort of finished compared to the early sketches from the session. Quite pleased with it overall. I think I've managed to capture the pose and the figure quite well, and a humanish face on this one again. This is the final pose of the evening, a 25-minute one this one I think, with the model sitting on a chair. Managed to capture this quite accurately I think, but then it's easier once you've had such little time to do the early ones in the session. Feels quite luxurious having 25 minutes. It was a really good session, lots of people there this time, far more than the first one that I attended. I think there's about 20. Anthony was saying that maybe he might have to start putting 2 on a month to cater for the numbers, but it's great to see that everybody's getting out there and trying to be creative in Nuneaton. It's a great thing to see. I'll put a link in the description to the group so that anybody who wants to join who's local can have a look at what it's all about. Okay, thanks very much for watching. I'll be back with another video soon. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you're new here, then please do subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.